So here we are at the Indian Cave. Wow. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Nebraska. Specifically, we are here at Indian Cave State Park in Nebraska. We were just searching through Google for something to do today on our way back on this road trip across the United States. Oh, start my walk. And found this just a little south of, maybe an hour and a half south of Omaha. So we're just going to do a quick little hike here. Shouldn't be too terribly long. Just should be right here. We are, let's see, what is it? July the 25th? 6th. It is Christmas in July here, so I don't see any decorations here, but there's been a lot of Christmas decorations around. I guess we got a lot of activities going on around here today. So let me see here. Caution, rattlesnakes are present here. Cool. Don't water in the tall grass. And flying squirrels. Let's see. Here's the map. So here we are. And we're going to do hike 10, which is here to the cave. I think. So at one point, this is 1.3 miles, I believe. We'll see. We will see. Oh, look, it's mountain lion territory too. Cool. So, rattlesnakes, mountain lions, and flying squirrels. Let's go. Somebody's a little nervous.
I'm reading it.
Let's see. So, this is Trailhead 10. Now, we haven't gotten a lot of information on this hike. So, the plan is to do the whole hike. But if it gets to be a little longer than we thought, or maybe a little tougher than we thought, we are potentially just gonna head back, because you can basically just park at the thing we're here to see at Indian Cave State Park. I give you one guess what the big thing is that we're gonna go try to see. So right now, got lots of precarious uphill we're going to be careful on first. Hopefully we stay up high here and we don't get too much elevation. And if this gets too much, we can switch.
No, I'm just trying to avoid potential poison ivy too.
Yeah.
And snakes.
Snakes? What about the flying squirrels?
I don't care about those.
Ugh. Okay. Here we got more of a set of stairs here. A little more established. So coming in to the park here, it is very camping heavy here. Lots of people camping overnight, hooking up, places to camp. That seems to be the thing to do here. Not a big hiking place, but we're gonna do our best to find hiking. Okay, let's see what it looks like from up here. Oh, nice. You got a view of the lake here.
I think we're gonna go down on the road.
You think it's gonna be too much? Oh man, look at that hill. What do you think? Okay, so we've descended the hill. We got to the top and there was more hill, and we were like less than 1/10 of a mile into this hike. And there's not a lot of information on the hikes here to know how hilly it's going to be, and we don't need, you know, 1.5 miles of up and down hills today. It is very hot. It's about 90 degrees today, and different from when we were in South Dakota, it is also very humid here. When we were in South Dakota, it was very hot but no humidity. I am sweating. It is very humid here and hot. Yeah, and we've got a baby, so got to be careful. We don't want to overheat him. We don't want to get in a situation that's not safe. So you can drive down to the Indian cave that we're trying to head to. So we're going to try to head down there, and maybe we'll just hike around the Indian cave a little bit more. Just wanted to do a little bit of leg stretching, but just don't want to take the chance. Sometimes you got to play it safe. So let's go ahead and head down the road and find a place to park there for the Indian cave. Okay, so we moved up the road here about 1 mile to the end of the road. You can see it loops here, and right here we've been driving along what I thought was like a lake or whatever. It's actually the Missouri River. I wasn't paying attention to the maps, but this is the Missouri River. It's moving quite fast. If you watch the water there, it is moving. But there is a beach here. It looks like they've got a breaker wall set up here so that you can still swim and not get swept away. So that is also available here. But here we are at the walk to the Indian cave.
Does it work now?
Yeah. So here we are in the walk to the Indian cave. So you can see basically it's right there. And that's why I kind of wanted to do a hike to it as opposed to do this. But we gotta roll with the punches sometimes. So the Indian cave dates back several thousand years, created by silt and fine-grained sands deposits in a Pennsylvanian rock channel. The cave walls are etched with petroglyphs or ancient Indian picture writings. The cultural origin and period in human history, a mystery. They depict forms, shapes, scenes, mostly of elements of nature and wildlife. Huh. So let's go ahead and head up top. Got a nice set of stairs here that looks to have been installed in the last 5 or so years. Yeah, and there is an accessible ramp that they have put in. Oh no! Now you don't want to grab anything. So here we are at the Indian cave. Wow. Okay. Well, unfortunately, the information has been taken out here. And you can see the trail here that we would have taken had we hiked.
Except it goes to there.
Yeah, well, it runs here. I guess it stops. There is a trail. Or maybe not, I don't know. That was the problem with this was the hiking information was very little. There's a lot of information on camping and staying overnight and hookups and the things to do, but not really hiking here. So unfortunately, I thought we would be able to get in and and see some of this, but they've got it all blocked off. They don't want us in here. But you can see, well, there's more recent stuff etched in over here. So we cannot see what may be etched in other places from the Indians. So we're just gonna have to live with this as a hiking fail. I think this might be one of our first hiking fail, like complete failure almost, where we didn't really get the hiking we wanted. We got to see the thing, I guess, but not the detail we wanted to see it. So if you know more information on this than I do, and you can help me for next time, you know, let us know. If you want to be able to do, there's plenty of hiking trails here. It's just the elevation, how strenuous these hikes are, the distances just don't exist. You just get dotted lines on a map, and hopefully you can figure it out. The paths at the start, at least, looked pretty well marked, but not well traveled. So that's what you get in some state parks. Some state parks are going to be a little less frequented than others, and you're going to have to deal with that. So unfortunately, we chalked this one up to, we saw a cave, but we didn't go out of our way too much. We got outside, we walked around, we got on our feet. That's nice when you're doing a road trip. We got a nice view here of the Missouri River, so you just got to be positive and roll with the punches. So if you knew more stuff to do in Nebraska, that would be another thing. Is we are here in this Nebraska Missouri area right now, and we just can't find a lot of outdoorsy things to do, and that's what we like to do. So if you know of some things that we should do, write them in the comments below. So while I'm talking about that, let's go ahead and I'll wrap the video up. If you like that video, then I'm sure you'll like any of our other videos, because they're way better than that one is. They're way longer, way more entertaining. I make funny jokes. I'm very, I got lots of good quips. I'm witty. I can't say all these other things. I'm just really amazing, just not in this video.
Can't see my eye roll. I'm rolling in the back of my head right now.
There's a lot of eye rolling, I can say that. There's a lot of eye rolling in these videos. So go ahead and like the video if you liked it. Comment to tell me things to do in Nebraska, what we did wrong here. If you have the information on this park, you let me know. And subscribe. We are driving from here basically straight east all the way to North Carolina. We're going to hit up some other things along the way. Might find some small gems, might find some more disasters. Who knows? But we're going to continue to find things and do stuff along the way, so make sure you subscribe and you can see some of those along the way. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.